Our day begins long before dawn, as the first hints of light touch the bustling rail depot across Europe. Here, amidst the quiet hum of machinery, the faint sounds of waking engines, and the organized bustle of early preparations, we gear up for another demanding journey. The initial briefing, conducted by experienced supervisors, covers detailed route specifics including key stations and distances, potential delays from weather or traffic, and any scheduled track work or repairs, ensuring the entire team of drivers and staff is fully aligned and prepared for a safe and efficient day ahead. Safety checks are paramount, a meticulous routine that includes walk-arounds, equipment verifications, and documentation, forming the unshakable bedrock of every successful trip and upholding the highest standards of rail safety. Before a single wheel turns, a thorough and systematic inspection of the locomotive is essential to prevent any risks. We meticulously check the braking systems, testing air brakes, emergency stops, and pressure levels to ensure they are fully operational, responsive under all conditions, and leak-free for reliable stopping power. All lights, from interior cab illumination to exterior headlights, taillights, and marker signals, must be functioning perfectly to guarantee visibility during dawn starts, night runs, or adverse weather, and for clear signaling to oncoming trains and level crossings. Finally, the coupling of coaches is verified through hands-on examination of mechanical links, air hoses, and electrical jumpers, a critical step that confirms the entire train formation is securely connected, stable, and ready for the journey ahead, thereby guaranteeing passenger safety, comfort, and seamless operations. With all pre-departure checks complete and documented, the pivotal moment arrives to set the journey in motion. Powering up the locomotive, the engines roar to life with a powerful symphony of mechanical precision as diesel or electric systems hum with controlled energy. As the signal ahead turns to clear green, indicating the track is free, we gently glide out of the station platform, carefully accelerating from standstill to operational speeds while maintaining smooth traction. Throughout the entire journey, constant vigilance is required, with the driver continuously monitoring speeds via speedometers, strictly adhering to signal indications from color light or semaphore systems, and adjusting throttle and brakes for a smooth, comfortable ride for all passengers on board. Every decision, from speed adjustments to path choices, is made with the precision honed from years of experience and rigorous training. The mid-morning journey often involves navigating diverse and ever-changing European landscapes, from picturesque rolling countryside with golden fields to bustling urban centers teeming with activity. We handle scheduled passenger stops with practiced efficiency, managing platform approaches, precise braking for exact positioning, timely arrivals, and swift departures to keep the timetable on track. Clear, professional announcements are made over the intercom, informing passengers of the next station, connections, and any delays, ensuring everyone stays informed and comfortable. Along the route, we remain ever alert for any trackside maintenance crews, speed restrictions, or unexpected conditions like fallen debris or signal faults, promptly adjusting speed or path to maintain unwavering safety and schedule integrity. It's a dynamic, multifaceted environment that demands constant attention, quick thinking, and seamless coordination with dispatchers. A quick break provides a welcome pause amid the demanding and relentless schedule of a train driver, often taken in a quiet corner of the depot break room or right within the cab itself during a scheduled layover at a station. This brief interlude is the perfect moment to refuel both body and mind, perhaps with a steaming hot coffee from a thermos, a simple sandwich, or energy bar to sustain energy levels. Simultaneously, we review the detailed logbooks, noting any observations like minor vibrations, signal anomalies, or performance metrics from the journey so far, and planning adjustments if needed. While the train rests stationary, undergoing its own brief servicing such as pantograph checks or wheel inspections by ground staff, the driver takes these valuable minutes to recharge mentally and physically, gathering focus for the next intensive leg of the day's challenging schedule ahead. The afternoon shift frequently brings the busiest and most intense routes of the day, whether it's expertly managing heavy freight loads rumbling across vast industrial zones filled with factories and sidings, or piloting sleek high-speed passenger services linking major cities at velocities exceeding 200 kilometers per hour. Navigating complex railway junctions, with their converging tracks, crossovers, and interlocking signals, requires precise timing down to the second and an intimate, almost instinctive knowledge of the entire rail network's layout and quirks. Each turn onto a diverging route, each response to a signal aspect change, demands unwavering focus and split-second decisions, ensuring the smooth flow of rail traffic, avoidance of conflicts, and the safe passage of hundreds of tons of cargo or thousands of passengers. It's a true testament to the driver's exceptional skill, accumulated experience, and unyielding commitment to operational excellence. As the sun begins to set on the horizon, casting a warm, golden glow over the winding tracks and depot yards, the long day draws to a satisfying close after hours of diligent service. The final handover ritual involves skillfully parking the train in its designated spot within the secure depot confines, performing one last comprehensive set of walk-around and cab checks to confirm all is in order, and meticulously closing out the digital or paper logbook with entries on mileage, incidents, fuel usage, and performance notes. It's a moment of quiet satisfaction and reflection, knowing that another full day of operations has passed safely, efficiently, and without incident, thanks to thorough preparation and vigilance. The responsibility carried by European train drivers is immense, involving the lives of countless passengers and the reliability of vital goods transport, but their unwavering dedication ensures that destinations are reached on time, day after day, year after year.